Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to insert an SD card into this laptop. So, in order to do that, you have to turn your laptop around and look at the left edge of your device. Now, on the left edge of your device you will find the SD card slot. So grab your microSD inside an SD adapter and just like this enter it into your PC. Push it slightly inside. Has to click. Okay, let me do it once again. Okay, it clicked, and right now the laptop can read the SD card. Now if you enter your file explorer and open this PC, you'll be able to see your USB flash drive and see all the data on it. To remove it, you have to simply push it inside slightly with your fingernail and it will jump right out. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.